Hello everyone, welcome to Derivative Market. Today we are going to discuss about a new candlestick pattern, that is Marubozu. Marubozu is a candlestick where there is no shadows. That means there is only body in a Marubozu candlestick pattern. Usually a Marubozu denotes a continuation of a rally, that is, it can be an uptrend or a downtrend, or it can also denote a break-even point of a rally, that is, the rally has been reversed. There are two types of Marubozus, that is, bullish Marubozu and bearish Marubozu. Usually in a Marubozu pattern there is no shadows, but if there is a slight or minute shadow also in a Marubozu kind of pattern, we can treat it as Marubozu pattern only. That is, here we can see that there are three types of Marubozu patterns, that is Marubozu full, Marubozu open and Marubozu close. All the three patterns behave in a similar manner, which can be depicted in the upcoming slides. This is a Marubozu full pattern. Marubozu full pattern can also be bullish or bearish depending upon the criteria. This is Marubozu open candle. It can also be a bullish or a bearish depending upon the trend. This is Marubozu close candle. It can also be Marubozu close bullish, Marubozu close bearish depending upon the trend. We can further look upon the characteristics of Marubozu pattern in the upcoming slide. Marubozu is a Japanese word for dominance. These are extremely powerful candles. They have long body with small or no shadow. When a green Marubozu candle is formed, it means the stock opened at a certain level and kept rising without falling down. Similarly, a red Marubozu is formed when the price opened at a certain point and keeps falling. Can be trend reversal or trend continuation candle. This is the main significance of a Marubozu candle. We can assure that there will be a trend reversal or a trend continuation depending upon the movement of the market. A Marubozu with a higher volume is more powerful. If there is more volume, that means more people are interested in buying or selling in a Marubozu pattern, then we can say that it is more powerful. Okay. This is a pictorial representation of a bullish Marubozu candle. We can see that a bullish Marubozu candle is formed. Then after the formation of the candle, there is a uptrend. Okay. So these are the points stated in this slide. That is, when the candle after the Marubozu opens in green, it is confirmation of the positive uptrend. So you can take a buy position. Second point, the bottom price of the Marubozu candle is the stop loss. If the price goes below this after you take the trade, sell and exit. Okay. If the trend goes in the reverse direction, you can exit from the trade. Normally, bullish Marubozu candle have a great probability that you will gain profit. Third, check out the volume on the day the Marubozu has been formed. It is significantly higher than other days. This is a positive sign. So we can get a confirmation that bullish Marubozu candle with a higher volume will give significantly higher profitable trade if we trade accordingly. This is a pictorial representation of a bearish Marubozu. We can see that a bearish Marubozu is formed. Then we can see that there is a downtrend. The trend continues. The main significance of the bearish Marubozu candle are as follows. 1. The second candle after Marubozu also opens in red. At this point you can sell and take the trade. This gives a confirmation that after formation of a bearish Marbosu, the second candle is also a red, then we can assure that there will be a downtrend. That is the significance of bearish Marbosu, which has been explained in the point number 1. Second, the top of the red Marbosu is your stop loss. If the price goes above the Marbosu, exit your trade. The points 3 and 4 also gives about the significance of bearish Marbosu. Actually, there are 4 Marbosu candles formed in this figure. As long as the wick or the shadow of the candle is very small compared to its body, it's still a Marbosu. Very small shadows are insignificant. This is same as I have explained earlier, that is Marbosu full, close and open. This is just another figure of comparison between bullish Marbosu pattern and bearish Marbosu pattern. We can see that a bullish Marbosu candle pattern has been formed and there a uptrend begins. Similarly, a bearish Marbosu candle has been formed and there is a strong downward trend. Okay, this is just a comparison between the two charts, that is bullish Marbosu pattern chart and a bearish Marbosu pattern chart, which we have explained earlier. This is a real-time graph of a Marbosu candle, that is a bullish Marbosu candle. We can see that a bullish Marbosu candle is formed. Then we can take a long entry after the high point of the bullish Marbosu candle, and we can keep a stop loss at the bottom of the Marbosu candle. This is a real-time graph of a bearish Marbosu candle. Here a bearish Marbosu is formed. We can keep the stop loss at the higher part of the bearish Marbosu candle, and we can enter a selling position at the bottom of the bearish Marbosu candle. We can see that there is a downtrend. Okay, so by entering at the point here, the point is 2424 and the price has gone up to around 2040. So by entering a position, that is by placing a sell option at 2424, we can get a profit up to around 400 points. I hope you are now clear with Marbosu patterns, bullish Marbosu and bearish Marbosu. We will continue with a new candlestick pattern in the upcoming class. If you found this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please follow our social media handles Twitter, Instagram and Facebook for further updates. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.